Okay, here you can see the 3-point add-on hitch. This Farmall 300 originally just came with the drawbar hitch. Want to do some food plotting, so bought this aftermarket 3-point hitch kit. Got it installed. You can see I have another video where I explain the need for these spacers to clear the PTO lever. The problem is, even with that, this PTO assembly here, when engaged, hits the hydraulic lift cylinder for the lift arms on the 3-point hitch. The other problem is, after some use, you can see that that's the best angle. You can see that the bracket here has started to distort. Get a better view from the top. You see that pin that the lift arm connects to is starting to bend back. It's not the pin that's bending, it's actually the metal in the bracket, which tells me that this metal is not thick enough. It looks like maybe 1/4 inch. So I contacted Tony's Tractors, and he worked with the manufacturer out of Joplin, Missouri, to redesign the hitch a little bit. So here you can see we're going to have the lift arm, we're going to have the hydraulic cylinder move to the other side, which will clear all the PTOs on the right side. So you can see there's a lot of space over on the left side. So the new hitch will, number one, solve that problem, and then number two, after they shipped me the hitch, you can see these they still stuck with, even though I told them about the distortion, they stuck with the 1/4 inch steel. So I welded a 3/8 inch plate onto that. So I re-drilled the hole out there. So on the other side, I also put in some bracing to hopefully minimize. This was the side that distorted last time. So I got to take the old hitch off, put these new pieces on. Alright, you can see I got the new hitch pieces on. So this is the new top bar with the hydraulic cylinder on this side. Just got to hook that up here and here. Looks like it's going to fit. Don't feel like taking all the hoses off tonight, so I'm just rerouting them this way. Overall, the reinforced width here seems to fit okay, no interference. Should fit, cylinder should fit here nicely. And then over here, now we can finally move the rubs a little bit right here. PTO lever, but no interference with the PTO assembly down there. So I'm hoping this hitch is going to work now, so we can run the PTO implements over there. Alright, so now we got to get this, we'll get the drawbar back on, which just bolts these back here, lifts up, bolts into here, another one on the other side there, and then we'll get the hydraulics hooked back up. We'll test it in the morning. Okay, here you can see the hitch in daylight. Got the reinforced bracing here, added reinforcement here and here. This interferes a little bit with the lift arm going all the way in, but you can see I think that'll be just fine because the ball pivots. If not, we can grind that piece out a little bit. Plenty of space now for the PTO assembly right here. I don't have an elbow. I want to route that hose a little differently, but that'll do for initial weekend testing here. So there you see we have this spacer to push it out past where this PTO lever needs to be when it's engaged, right here. And then we got the hitch on, modified, so the hydraulic cylinder doesn't interfere with the PTO. Another guy posted on YouTube that his hitch bent, this whole tube bent, but I don't know, we're not lifting the stuff too heavy. Heaviest thing I'm going to lift will be the brush hog over here, which I'm going to be hooking up right now.